You've been lied to if you think home exercises can't build muscle. A lot of people have trained at home and gotten real results. In this video, we rank the best home exercises. Bodyweight squats build leg strength, mobility, and endurance using just your body weight. They mainly target the quads and glutes through a natural movement pattern. Walking lunges are great for building leg strength, balance, and coordination. They strongly target the quads and glutes one leg at a time. Diamond push-ups shift more focus to the triceps and inner chest. The close hand position increases arm activation during the press. Pike push-ups are one of the best home exercises for shoulder development. They mimic an overhead pressing movement using only body weight. Dips build the triceps, chest, and shoulders with strong body weight resistance. They allow a deep stretch and powerful contraction. Inverted rows target the back, rear delts, and biceps using horizontal pulling. They help improve posture and back thickness. Glute bridges isolate the glutes and strengthen the posterior chain. They also improve hip stability and lower body control. Simple exercise, but very effective. Calf raises directly target the calf muscles through a full stretch and contraction. They help improve lower leg strength and development. Superman holds strengthen the lower back, glutes, and posterior chain. They also improve posture and spinal stability. A useful bodyweight exercise for back endurance. Plank shoulder taps train the core while improving shoulder stability and balance. They force the body to resist rotation throughout the movement. Burpee push-ups combine strength, cardio, and explosiveness into one movement. They train the full body while improving conditioning and endurance.